In this example, we'll look at polynomial long division. The first thing we'll do is set up the house. And inside the house, we put the dividend, negative 4x cubed plus 5x squared. Notice there's no x term in this polynomial. We need to put a 0 placeholder there. So we'll have 0x and then plus 8. And then we put the divisor on the outside. To do the division now, we take the first term in the dividend and divide it by the first term in the divisor. So first term in dividend divided by the first term in the divisor. So that's negative 4x cubed divided by x, which will give us negative 4x squared. That goes up top, negative 4x squared. And then we multiply. So next step is to multiply. So negative 4x squared times x is negative 4x cubed. And we need to make sure we distribute. Negative 4x squared times 3 is negative 12x squared. Next, we subtract. So we're going to take that answer and subtract. Make sure you put that in parentheses so that we remember to distribute the negative sign. Negative 4x cubed minus negative 4x cubed is really negative 4x cubed plus 4x cubed. That first term goes away. Then when you have 5x squared minus negative 12x squared, again, that's really plus 12x squared, we get 17x squared, and then we'll drop down the rest. And then we repeat that process. So we take the first term, 17x squared, divided by the first term. So in your head or off to the side, we have 17x squared divided by x. That will give us 17x, which we'll put in the quotient, and then multiply. 17x times x is 17x squared. Don't forget to distribute. 17x times 3 is 51x. We'll then subtract this. First term goes away. We have 0 minus 51x. Then we drop down the 8. Then again, we repeat that process. First term, negative 51x, divided by the first term, x, will give us negative 51. Again, multiply. Negative 51x minus 153. And then we subtract. First term goes away, and then we have 8 plus 153, which is 161. 161 is our remainder. So remember, we can write remainders as a fraction. 161 over the divisor, x plus 3.